Okay, so when it comes to making totality, it demands integration. So taking case, analyzing symptom, evaluating symptom are relatively easier for us. And integration demands our knowledge, our ability to connect dots and erecting the suffering of the patient as it is with its essential points. That has to give clear picture of internal deranged vital force. How much is the disturbance? What is the disturbance? Why is the disturbance? And measuring the amount of disturbance. Understanding the pace of the disturbance. Getting the total clear picture of the morbid phenomenon. From point of deviation till now. So these are various issues that come up when we are making the totality. Now we are at the crossroad of making the totality. Last time the points had come up. Is the totality same as evaluation order? What do we do in the evaluation order? હું કરું છું સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડિંગ ચાલે છે. मैं હોસ્ટ નથી ને એટલે. Oh, interruption. We have some minor technical problems. So the point is whether the evaluation order is same as totality of symptoms. What is analyzing of symptom? To understand whether it is common or characteristic. That is the job when we are doing analysis of the symptom. Whereby we are finding out is it rare, strange or peculiar, as Dr. Kent has said, or is it striking, singular, uncommon or peculiar, as Dr. Hahnemann has suggested. Or is it fitting into quis, quid, ubi, cur, cubis oxalis, Quimodo, Quiondo, as suggested by Dr. Bonington. So it is all about understanding whether this is specific, defined symptom, that is characteristic symptom, or it is vague, undefined, that is general or common symptom. So then we start giving value to the symptom in relation to the patient. As Dr. Kent has said, to give value to the symptom in relation to the patient. So we put across which of these symptoms is of more value, and we put the hierarchical order. So that is evaluation of symptoms. That is what last time Dr. Nirav had put across very well. So that is what is the totally analytical part of the case. Case has been taken. We put the analytical aspect to the case to find out what is characteristic and which one is more valuable. So this is an analytical process with the case. Whereas making totality is synthetic part of the case. This is where we are integrating the data, where we are bringing data together. I'm just searching one case for you people. Though I am not able to share my screen, never mind.